In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Adjusting the graphics performance preference for the Photos app can enhance its functionality, especially if the error is related to graphics processing or resource allocation. If that didn't work, type PowerShell in Windows Search. Right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, running the Photos app as an administrator can help resolve issues related to insufficient permissions. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.